friends, this is Souramita. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy. It's day 7 today of this pen shading series of a girl dancing where I'm uploading videos as much as I draw every day. You can see I have already started shading the lower portion of the dress and it is taking a lot of time. So please stay with me. Keep patience because patience के बिना आप realism कैसे लाओगे? So patience is important. It is the only key to achieve realism in our art. First, I'm creating the base layer with a very light tone by applying the slightest pressure on the paper. And then gradually I'm adding the mid-tones and dark tones. And ये चीज़ आपको बहुत धीरे धीरे करना है, एकदम ताड़ाताड़ी करबे ना, नहीं तो आपका ड्राइंग खराब हो सकता है. As you know, pen lines are permanent. Neither you can remove them nor you can blend the darker tones to light. So be very careful while shading with pen. You can see fine results are coming as I'm shading in small sections. उससे क्या होता है कि pen lines uniform रहता है, chances of harsh lines are reduced and देखते हो खूब smooth लगे. For those who are first time watching this video, I would suggest them this is a series of pen shading tutorials, kind of daily vlog video. मैं यहाँ पे जो ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ डेली जितना कंप्लीट करना पॉसिबल हो सके मैं अपलोड कर रही हूँ. আর তোমরা যদি আগের ভিডিওগুলো না দেখে থাকো then please do watch my previous 6 videos in this series and the outline tutorial also, and then you come to this video. I have linked everything in description. You can also find the link to the reference image in the description box. And if you really find my video helpful, please like and share, and please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Also, please check out my shorts channel and comment below your thoughts and queries. Well, I'm loving the results. See you in the next video. Bye.